Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will read 10-line essay on Gandhi. Let's get started. Mahatma Gandhi was a prominent leader in the India independence movement. He was born on October 2, 1869 in Porbandar, a coastal town in Gujarat. Gandhi was a lawyer by profession but eventually became a social and political activist. He is known for his philosophy of non-violent resistance, which he called Satyagraha. Gandhi played a pivotal role in India's struggle for independence from British rule. He was arrested several times and spent a total of 7 years in prison for his political activities. Gandhi was assassinated on January 30, 1948 by a Hindu nationalist who opposed his views on religious tolerance. He is widely regarded as the father of the Indian nation, and his birthday is celebrated as a national holiday in India. Gandhi's legacy extends beyond India, and he is recognized as a symbol of peaceful resistance and human rights worldwide. His life and teachings have inspired numerous social and political movements, including the civil rights movement in the United States led by Martin Luther King. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.